Welcome to CodeJam. Today in this class we are going to create a fake news app. So first of all, I just want to show you that how it will look something like this when you will run the code. So here I'm going to run in the code. We will just click here on this play button at the top side, as you can see. Then the output will come. This is the fake news. So you will type anything that is not believable. Let the window will open. So here I'm going to type, it's shocking that today is rain in Delhi. We will just click on check news. So if the news might be fake, verify before sharing, as it's not possible because today weather is good in Delhi. So like this, you can create a fake news detector. It will detect the news properly. Now let's start that how it will look. So first of all, I'm using here from Tkinter import star for creating the window. Tkinter we will use for making the window one. Now app is the variable one. Just we will take the tk as for Tkinter. Now we will choose here app.title. The title is fake news detector for kids. Geometry size for making the window. Configure for making the background. Now here I mentioned few fake words. Shocking, miracle. I just type here few words. If the user will type any these words with the sentence, then it will show that it's a fake. Title label like fake news detector, label one for space. Insert label. Here the user will insert the label one that type the news headline block. After this, we will use same font size, background color, and all. Insert label.pack for setting the size, for setting the space for the label. After that, we will take the input text box. I want to create one entry box. So a new entry is my variable name. Text is the app name. Now just take the app, height and width of the entry box, and this is the font size so that when the user will type, the size should be 12. Again, I'm telling you text is the command, so T should be capital. Here label is the command, to L should be capital. Other are the variable one, so you can make it small or capital as your choice. Now result label, same result label is the variable, label is the command, so L is capital. Whatever the answer will be there, it will show that way. Now after this, we will use here diff check answer. You can take diff check news. This is just a function name. News entry.cat 10 and 1c. It means it will start from the starting as we have mentioned the list of the fake words and end with the end one. Now found false. If it will found false, then the word in fake words means if the user will type that any single word there in the sentence. If the word in the news found true and break. If news strip is equal to blank, result label, it will say please type something first. Means if the user will type nothing and check news. If this might be fake, if it will be fake, and if it is true, then this is looks real. Now I will create one check button. In this check button, this is the window name, check news one, check button name, and tip just for instruction that you should do the double check with this and the tick and tag close. If you will do like this, then your fake news director app will be ready. I think it's completely clear for you. Just try with this, and if you have any doubt, then you can message me or you can call me.